laser for Adrian to
A few dark spots.
Is there? Are they?
Oh, it's real patchy when you do it like that, moving around. Nice, looks like two eyes on the back of your head. There's a huge one there, and there's another one there, and there's another one there as well. Let's get some dancing on.
Having a great time here.
Boys have made a bench. You got kind of real proud heads on you as well. It's good. You have to stand on it for the standing test. But will she stand? Alright. The wind has actually blown the war up over the thing, look. It does off a bit. Repurposed from the container that came in. There is a leak here, is there?
Yeah, right over there.
Aha, some complete. Get that helmet on.
Operate my laptop at a
Safe fashion. Answer some of those eBay questions. Fuck. Oh no. Organising her up.
I like these. I think. Yeah. It would look nice.
Yeah. Wow. That is bananas. Wow, that is bananas. Look at him. This is the real deal, as you can see here. Nicely etched in. Wow, I love the way they've engraved it, but they've smoothed it out as well. You know the difference between these and a bad set of replicas. Machined. Ooh. 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 Put them away now. It's the saddest part is we get to see so much good stuff and then it just goes. A lot of stuff doesn't actually stay in the warehouse. It's custom ordered and then sent off to somewhere else in the world. So this is it. See you later, Nismos. Nice getting to know you briefly. Nice. Pretty jealous. That.